Picture yourself running up a hill, each step quickening your breath. Your lungs work harder to draw in oxygen, fueling your muscles and keeping you going. Our ability to breathe deeply, especially in moments of exertion, is possible because of a complex network that works around the clock to keep us alive. This unseen system plays a vital role in every moment, and it is called the respiratory system, which is an essential component of our survival. Its primary role is to provide every cell in the body with oxygen, which is necessary for energy production, while also expelling carbon dioxide, which can become toxic if it accumulates. This continuous process keeps our bodies balanced and healthy, and any disruption to it affects every aspect of our well being. Furthermore, the respiratory system is crucial for sustaining life, and by understanding its functions, recognizing the importance of respiratory health, and learning about common respiratory disorders, an individual will be able to better care for this vital system. To understand why the respiratory health is so important, it's imperative to first know how the system actually works. Essentially, this system supports gas exchange by bringing in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. Every day, our bodies take approximately 20,000 breaths, which equates to about 11,000 liters of air. Each breath delivers oxygen needed for cells to produce energy, while removing carbon dioxide to prevent a toxic buildup in the body. Moving on to structure, the respiratory system is composed of several key parts, including the nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Each part plays a unique role in this process. The nose warms and filters air, while the trachea or windpipe channels it down into the lungs. Within the lungs, air travels through a branching network of bronchi and smaller bronchioles, which end in tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, oxygen moves from the air into the blood, and carbon dioxide moves from blood to be exhaled. This gas exchange is crucial because oxygen fuels cellular processes, while carbon dioxide must be removed to prevent a toxic buildup. High levels of carbon dioxide in the body can lead to symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, confusion, and in severe cases, it may even cause respiratory failure. Additionally, studies indicate that during intense physical activity, oxygen demand can increase by 20 times, further emphasizing the efficiency of the respiratory system. Without this efficient oxygen exchange, none of our cells would receive the energy they need to function, which highlights the respiratory system's importance. Now that we understand how the respiratory system works, let's consider why it's important to protect and maintain its health. First, avoiding harmful substances is essential. For example, studies show that smoking damages the lungs and is responsible for nearly 80% of all chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases. Additionally, exposure to secondhand smoke alone is estimated to cause more than 41,000 deaths annually in the United States. In addition to avoiding harmful substances, a healthy practice plays a significant role in maintaining respiratory health. Regular physical activity, such as aerobic exercise, has been shown to improve lung capacity by 15%. Furthermore, basic hygiene practices like frequent hand washing and staying hydrated are effective in preventing infections like colds and flu as well, which affect the respiratory system. Finally, scheduling routine health checkups is crucial for early detection of respiratory diseases. According to the American Lung Association, regular screenings can detect lung diseases early, even before symptoms become severe. Although these strategies provide valuable ways to support respiratory health, it's important to understand that even with the best respiratory health practices, many people experience respiratory issues, some of which are chronic and require ongoing management. One common respiratory disorder is asthma, which is characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways. Asthma affects approximately 25 million people in the US, including 1 in 13 adults and 1 in 12 children. Asthma attacks are often triggered by allergens, exercise, or environmental factors like air pollution. Next, there's chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is also known as COPD. COPD involves chronic airflow obstruction primarily due to smoking and is a significant health concern in the US. In fact, COPD is the fourth leading cause of death in the country, affecting about 16 million Americans who have been diagnosed, with millions more likely undiagnosed. Furthermore, the respiratory system is essential to life. By understanding its functions, maintaining healthy practices, and recognizing common disorders, we can gain valuable tools to protect this vital system. Moreover, today's discussion covered essential functions of the respiratory system, which enable the vital process of oxygen intake and carbon dioxide removal, which is necessary for life. Additionally, key strategies for maintaining respiratory health, including avoiding smoke, staying active, practicing proper hygiene, which are important. Also, an overview of common respiratory disorders such as asthma and COPD, which highlights the importance of awareness and preventive care. Furthermore, the next time you feel your lungs working after a run or even as you take a calm, steady breath, you'll be able to understand the intricate processes that are happening inside the body.